Good God, this is the dirty garage, but this is out of control. This is just, you ever get here, guys? It all started 90s GM products and 2000s with the infamous rocker and cab corner. So the bed had to come off, which meant all this stuff that was in the bed is now in the bed. And I'm gonna take a couple hours today and address this. Got me some caffeine. Ready, go! My scrap metal bin is becoming scrap itself. Different area codes. I have an empty spot up in my rafters, and I think that's where everything is going to go because it'll be out of the way. Sometimes you just have to look up for inspiration. Now, let's deal with this mess. Five more times to go. All right, all framed out. Nice big leg bolts into the structure of the building, and some real precise cutting. But you know, sometimes you got to work with what you got. So these were just remnants that happened to be around 36 inches. This is about 36 3/4, just because that's where this was. So you know, aesthetics. And just like that, I had a rack. I managed to save the bottom half of that garbage bin, so all the little small pieces don't go scooting out from under here. And then anything longer than basically this gets put here. So it works very well. Still have buckets for other shorter scraps and whatnot, but I can actually get to over here now with some of my bigger stock. It's almost October, folks. That forge and them anvils need to start making their way out here. We're right here with my rockers. Not welded in yet. Floors replaced. Looks like crap, but you know, whatever. If you're looking for me to have a video about how to do this, I'm not even gonna bother because I've been watching other people's videos that are probably way more instructional and way more knowledgeable than I'm ever going to be able to do, like I mentioned with the bodywork. So go check those out, whoever's, whatever your search brings you to. I'm not promoting anybody specifically. So I want to get this finished up, drop this, take all this over there. I gotta get the forge out, I gotta get my anvils out. I gotta start playing around with fire because I'm getting tired of looking at this. So keep her dirty, fellas.